me, Mario. Game over.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a video on Charisma hair from Amazon. It has 2 combs and a strap in the back. This ombre hair is from Amazon and it is synthetic. When I say this wig is so big and so heavy, when I put it on, I was like, oh my god. Then when I showed you guys the parting space, it didn't really have a lot of parting space, so I was like, oh my god, I can't even do a middle part or a side part. I only got like 2 centimeters. I was like, the fuck? I'm gonna comb it out and then we're gonna get right into this new look. I'm gonna do a half up, half down with bangs. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Peace. And this is where you guys are going to see Desiree mess up when she tries to do something cute and new for the first time. I literally had to get off camera for a good minute just so I can fix my bangs to make sure everything is even and get right into my top knot bun. Yes, you see that? Quick swirl, swirl, yes. I can't get my bangs right. This is too much. So, I like this hair. It's a cute color on me because, you know, it's on me. This wig, I wish that the hair can lay flat so that I can get my bangs even, but for the most part, I give the hair color a 10. It's cute color. I don't know. I don't like the construction. Like, I don't even know what to rate the construction because I just don't like the construction. Let me put my shades on because I know you shady bitches is gonna come for me, so. I don't like the construction only because I'm guessing this was supposed to be a middle part, but even if it was a middle part, the hair won't even lay flat. Okay, like, I don't know, like, I've ironed it. Some of it stayed down, some of it isn't. As you can see, this isn't. So it's going through a lot of issues right now. So because it's not staying flat, it looks uneven. And I got it as even as possible. Like, I'm putting my hand down, it's as even as possible, but when I lift up, it doesn't look even at all, and I don't understand why. So I'm not even about to get scissor happy again because I'm feeling like if I get even more scissor happy, something bad will occur. So this is what I'm giving you. For the most part, it's really cute. I have no complaints, actually. This is really cute other than the front. Like, I love the concept. I love how I just freak with it. Let me see. The ends is always gonna be rough with synthetic, but this isn't rough. It's not as frizzy. It just tangles like right here. It's no different from human hair when it tangles in the nape. I'm feeling like, I don't know what I'm feeling like, but this bang is not cutting it. Like, I don't know what to do. So overall, I like the hair, I like the color, I like to play with it. This is a cute, fun play look. I didn't really want to focus too much on this wig, only because this is a playful wig and I won't really go outside with it. This is a cute picture or video shoot type of look. So I hope you guys enjoy another video by Desiree, and yeah, just comment down below and, you know, subscribe to my channel because I'm that bitch.